So this problem is talking about interior angles of a polygon. It's not here specifying if it's regular or not. So what we know about polygons is that the sum of the interior angles, so the sum of interior angles is actually going to be the number of sides of the polygon minus 2, and that is the number of triangles inside the polygon. And so we're just going to multiply by 180 degrees. So a hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. So sum of interior angles here, sum of interior angles is going to be 6 minus 2, and then whatever that is, we multiply that by 180 degrees, which is 4 multiplied by 180 degrees, and that is going to give us 720 degrees.